My concern is that hospital, the ORS, and how many percentage is now referred back to the hospital for improvement of the service given to the people?
Chair, this is important. It's a good question because we have a big problem. Actually, I was discussing with my people yesterday night, the team that I had with the CEO of the hospital. They told me we are owed by a share close to 400 million. They have released around 150 million, Mr. Chairman. There is a balance of 400. Money which was carried along from NHIF today. Therefore, some time we may not even, because I stopped, when I came in, Mr. Chairman, I stopped any cash collection. Is seamless. Therefore, all money is in wheelchairs up there. And today, the hospital is running by itself. I'm not funding the hospital anymore. This is the only referral hospital in this region. Actually, the referral hospital for Omami, Migori, Nyamira, now, and Kisas as it were. And they are operating only 47 when they have done very well in a quarter. 47 to 67.
47 what?
47 million in a quarter. The highest they went is 67. When I came here, I moved the management and everything, Mr. Chairman. Today we are doing those collection of sales of 270 million per quarter. Therefore, what we are saying is that yes, there is money, the hospital is running. There is some challenges. There could be challenges, but I'm happy. The next, Mr. Chairman, which we are carrying, the hospital is here. A day, it's a record with the MOH. We were losing newborns, a half of the births which were happening here. Normal deaths per day, it was 17 to 23. Now, this, Mr. Chairman, you walk there is 1 or 2 days in the past without any normal death. We have reduced the 50% to 16. Most of the deaths happening now is referrals, which we have gained to 16. It's my prayer that one day I'll be able to reduce to below 5. These are the things, under those circumstances, that's where most of the people are making money, supplying air, food, ratios, air, no drugs, It was business. People, doctors referring patients to their aides. Today it doesn't happen. I'm glad that even if I was not a governor, a resident of Kisi, I'd be happy for the service.
Mr. Chairman,